Hello, YouTube. Hope you're having a great day today. It's 9:26. Quick update here, and we're going to start off looking at the Cape here. A lot more energy coming in from the south than first anticipated, rather. So, a lot of energy coming in. Today is just a day you're going to want to be weather aware for certain. We'll take a look at the tornado perimeter here, and of course, you can see to the north there's a good bit of energy, but from the south, look at that just plunging in here. Some of those supercells there will be capable of producing some long track tornadoes. Some of the models are wanting to keep it just a little bit south of our area, but I'm not trusting these models just yet. But that is what they're wanting to do. We'll take a look at the high resolution rapid refresh radar. Shows this stuff moving in around 8 or 9 o'clock, somewhere right in there now. It's still 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm waiting on the noon models to come out to get a better idea. But still, some nasty stuff coming in. We'll take a look at the what we're looking at as far as tornado threat goes for today and into tonight. So a hatched area, entire area here in North Alabama, even all the way down south to Troy, Alabama. A big area there where we could see some violent long track tornadoes possibly, anywhere from Florence to Huntsville, Decatur, Gadsden, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Talladega, Montgomery, Greenville, Troy, and Auburn. Just a really big area there. Where there's a possibility that there could be EF2 or larger tornadoes, a few long track today possible. So something we'll keep a very close eye on. Looking at the wind, as far as that goes, and the tornado threat is 10%, so in a hatched area, so something we're really going to keep an eye on. Now the wind threat, it's a good bit higher, about 30%. For around Huntsville, Decatur, Birmingham, Florence, Gadsden. Of course, that includes all of northeast Alabama, DeKalb, Jackson, Marshall counties as well. Hail threat is also pretty high, 30% chance of some damaging hail, 1 to 2 inch in diameter. Not looking, too good at all as far as hail threat goes either. So just today you're going to want to be weather aware now. That's all I've got, waiting on the updates. But I can tell you, I believe the latest timeline. Now, let me get a better idea on that. Just wanted to quickly go live here, let everybody know what I had at the moment. So let me take a look at what our latest timeline was, and I don't know if Huntsville has released one yet. I'm not sure that they have. That may be why I don't have one up yet. Let me take a look. Go check them out real quick. In the background here, see if they do. I think I just checked it a few minutes ago and I didn't see one. Okay, well, I told you wrong about that. So let me get this up. No significant changes yet. So let me get this information up. They must have just put this out because it wasn't up, unless I overlooked it. So let's take a look, get that up really quick. That timing. And I know looking at the high resolution rapid refresh radar, which is very accurate when it comes to timing stuff. And let me adjust this out just a little bit. Very accurate on that. And it's showing between 8 and 9 o'clock for northeast Alabama. Let me adjust this graphic a bit. Okay, so it's not going to quite fit the way I want it to, but it fits just enough so you can get an idea of it. So northwest Alabama, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is what it's showing right now. That's for areas around Florence and Russellville. Central and southern Middle Tennessee, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and then northeast Alabama, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., and it looks like around 8 p.m., honestly. That could change, and it probably will. So we're going to wait till 12 o'clock's update and see what it says, and go from there, because I really believe some vital information is going to come in around 12. I know for some of the models do have, it does have some of this, wanting to keep it just a little bit south of our area, but I'm not convinced with that at the moment because it's just doesn't really add up. But it is a possibility, but we'll have to see what 12 o'clock's update shows. But that's our newest timeline right now. That's what we've got. So anywhere between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. for northeast Alabama. And I believe around 8 p.m. is what the high resolution rapid refresh model is showing. Again, this will update at 12 o'clock. So there's looking at our high resolution rapid refresh. It will be a squall line come through, so it'll just be a pretty good, squall line come through. We could get a few of those supercells producing tornadoes in northwest Alabama between 2 and 5 o'clock, and those would track to the east. And if they do produce tornadoes, they would be possibility of a few of them being long track. So that being said, meaning we could have some supercells start rotating over around Florence. They could put down a tornado. It could stay on the ground for a while, and that supercell, the same one, could keep on producing tornado after tornado. So that's something we'll have to really keep an eye on as we go on through the evening. And again, I do expect the tornado watch to go up here within probably, I'm going to say, after lunchtime, maybe in the evening hours possibly. But we don't have that right now. No discussion at the moment of that happening. So we'll wait and see what the 12 o'clock update has. But that is what I've got. Hope that was helpful to everybody. We'll do another update here as soon as we get some new information in. But that's what we've got. And as far as YouTube goes, y'all be weather aware today. Make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings out there because it is going to be an active day. That is for sure. And possibly not, too. I really hope this comes in before night time. But the models are still hinting at around 8 o'clock. But we'll check it out again at 12. So if nothing happens, we'll see y'all here between, I'll say, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, maybe even 3 o'clock. It depends on when those newest updates come out. And, of course, tune in to us here on the weather page. We'll definitely keep you updated on any of those watches or warnings that are issued out. So thanks again. God bless. Take care. Have a great day. Be weather aware out there.